Here we sought to create a wood effect that would be essentially natural, but also warm, minimal and contemporary. We therefore took a series of oak planks with no knots and reproduced them in ceramics with three basic colors: light, medium and dark beige, because people are looking for surfaces they won't grow tired of, even in the long term, as their colors belong to our collective unconscious. We also added a white version that looks like bleached wood, and not only in a 20 by 120 centimeter format, but also in 220 and 30 centimeter width formats, both with a length of 180 centimeters. Why? Because the 20 centimeter version has more shade variation than the 30 centimeter version. So the product has twice the marketing and style value. Unique selling proposition. A natural wood effect designed to be combined with the Metallo and Bianco collections.